It is, it's the radio. Whakalofa, my name's Natalie Walsh. I live and work in London and I look after wine and spirits brands from New Zealand. I'm obviously a New Zealander. I grew up in Wellington. My mother is from Niuean Island and my father is Irish. Yeah, so Irish Niuean heritage, and I'm living in the UK and loving it. This is my friend Ned. He's Australian. He's an Australian Terrier, Ned Kelly. So I look after sales and marketing, working with New Zealand brands who don't have anyone in the market. My job would be to work with those distributors to maximise opportunities for sales and marketing. I guess trying to bring some New Zealand flavour to, to the sales mix. I decided I wanted to work in the wine industry after living in France for 3 years. I just had a real interest in wine and wanted to learn more about it. Kind of started at the sales end, studying and doing various things, sort of adding to my knowledge as I've gone on. So I love taking New Zealand brands to the world. So every country is different. Every country has different laws, regulations around alcohol. But I also like the challenge of learning about customers, putting the pieces of the puzzle together. I just think I get to do the best things. Having come overseas, I have more of a sense of identity. You do start to reflect on yourself and what makes you different, and I guess what also makes you similar to others. I want to learn about them, I want to learn about their businesses. That's definitely that kind of Pasifika background, wanting to add value and be of service to people. I think that is a really big core part of, I guess, what makes my style a little bit different and, links into that Pasifika background. I climbed Mount Kilimanjaro. That was one of my, it was on my list of things to do, and so I did that. For me, meeting people via Ngāti Ranana, as an example, was quite cool because I met heaps of other people via that, and Pasifika people as well. So now I've found a community of people that I probably would never have known back home, but here I guess we're all in the same boat, which is living and enjoying this great place, but also wanting to connect with other New Zealanders. Fortune favours the brave, and just get out there and explore and enjoy, and never think that if you pick a path that's necessarily going to be the path that you're going to be on forever. Take opportunities when they come. The more you can get out and experience the world, I think the better off you are as a person. Having a global view of the world and taking that back home, just do it and just enjoy it. And if you need to change tack, change tack. That's my advice.